Unlock the simplicity of paying for your favorite Apple gear using your trusty debit card. Heading into an Apple store for that new iPhone or a set of AirPods. Using your debit card is incredibly straightforward, and we'll show you exactly how. First, at the physical Apple Store, when you picked out your desired product and head to the checkout counter, simply present your debit card to the associate. They'll process it just like any other card payment. If your card has a chip, insert it into the reader, or if it supports contactless payments, just tap it when prompted. You might be asked to enter your PIN for security, so have that ready once the transaction is approved. Your purchase is complete, with the funds drawn directly from your linked bank account. Now, for online purchases through the Apple Store website or the Apple Store app, the process is just as seamless. Once you've filled your shopping cart and are ready to complete your order, navigate to the checkout page. You'll see a section for payment information here. Select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. You'll then need to enter your debit card details, the card number, expiration date, and the security code, usually found on the back of your card. Ensure your billing address is also entered correctly, as this is often verified against your bank's records for security. After reviewing your order details and payment information, simply click to confirm and place your order. Your debit card will be charged directly, making your purchase at the Apple Store, whether in person or online, a smooth and efficient experience. Enjoy your new Apple products.